Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Job Seeker Sub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about Accenture Python interview experience part 2. I already made a video on part 1. If you haven't watched part 1, just go to our channel or else I will give this link in this video description. You can watch it over there. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our Job Seeker Sub channel. Let's start the video. So this is the experience from candidate 3. The first question interviewer asked is, tell me about yourself. You mentioned Python as your skill set. How's the exam? Means the interviewer asked, tell me about yourself, and after that, how's the exam like? Is the exam easy, difficult, or medium? And then how much you rate yourself in Python out of 10. What the guy said is, he said he will rate in between 6 to 7 for this question. And after that, going to technical questions. First question is explain Python memory management, and second question is difference between list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Third is explain ARGS and KWARGS. Fourth is what are decorators? Give a real-time use case. Fifth is what are generators? Why use yield? Explain shallow copy versus deep copy. Multi-threading versus multi-processing is the seventh question. Eighth question is differences between at the rate static method, at the rate class method, and instance blocks. What are the lambda functions? Method overloading versus method overriding, abstraction versus encapsulation. These are the technical questions. The interview lasted till 30 minutes. So I just want to say one thing, guys. If you choose your skill set as a Python, then please try to prepare all the questions in Python, because interviews are difficult. They are no more easy. Candidate for interview is very much difficult. I will show that as well. And here coding questions to the interviewer asked. First coding question is reverse a string without a slicing and find duplicate elements in a list is the second question. Going to project questions, tell me about your project. What was the objective of your project? What was your role in the project? How many team members worked on the project? Fifth is which module did you develop? Like which module, like Python module, Java module, which module he would develop, and explain your module in detail. HR questions is why Accenture? Are you willing to relocate? Why should we hire you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Do you have any questions for us? This is the last question, and candidate 3 interview got completed with this. If you see here, this is a not easy, this is a medium level, but candidate for interview is not medium, it is medium to difficult. Yeah, technical round. First question is introduce yourself, and then technical questions, explain Python execution flow. Third question is what is GIL and why does it exist. Fourth is decorators with practical usage. Fifth is iterators versus generators. Sixth question is what are the context managers. Seventh question is explain MRO. MRO means method resolution order. Eighth is multiple inheritance in Python. Ninth is explain handling hierarchy. 10th is time complexity of dictionary lookup. 11th is explain Python virtual environment. What you will do, guys, if you have an interview in future, just try to pause this video. Just try to pause this video and try to answer for first question, like introduce yourself, introduce, and then pause the video, try to answer for second question, pause the video, try to answer for third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question. Do like that. If you do like this, your mind will run like anything. It will give answers immediately for you. So please prepare that. Just pause this video and then try to introduce yourself in front of phone screen, and then pause the video, try to answer for second question, pause the video, try to answer for third question. Do like that. And eighth question is multiple inheritance in Python. Ninth is exception handling hierarchy. 10th is time complexity of dictionary lookup. 11th is explain Python virtual environment. Coding questions here. Interviewer asked 3 coding questions. Not to longest substring without repeating characters. Remove duplicates while preserving order. Third is merge two sorted lists. Going to project questions. Project questions are also not easy here. Here you can see tell me about your project, explain your project architecture. Why did you choose Python for this project? Which database did you use and why? Explain one difficult bug you fixed. If we ask you to rebuild this project, what would you do differently? Seventh question is, what was the biggest mistake you made during the development? And HR questions are, what are your expectations from your first job? Tell me about a situation where you had to learn something quickly. Third is, what do you know about Accenture business and services? This is the most important question. Many of the candidates, what they are doing is they are going for interview without knowing anything about company. If you had an interview, try to write 2 to 3 points about company in notes and by heart that. If you by heart that, you will remind those and you can say to the interviewer whenever interview asks. Fourth question is, are you comfortable working in rotational shifts? Fifth is, if selected today, how soon you can join? Sixth is, do you have any questions for us? So as I said earlier, this candidate interview is medium to difficult. Not easy to medium, not medium. It is a medium to difficult. So if we had an interview in future, just try to prepare as much as you can, because nobody knows what questions they will ask from interview. That's why prepare as much as you can for the interview. And we already made some materials here. I will give this materials link in a description. If you had an interview in future, this job seeker sub, Accenture Python placement kit and SAP placement kit may be helpful for you. So as I said earlier, the interviews are becoming difficult, they are no more easy. And here one big update I just want to share is, previously it was only one round, but for now, maybe I think the recruitment got changed. For this year, candidates are receiving final round interview mail as well, because previously there is only one skill round, but now there is a final round as well. So be prepared for that. I will make a full-fledged video on your doubts and this final round tomorrow. Definitely I will search for this and I will search which questions are asking in final round, what are the questions candidates are facing, and how's the interview. Definitely I will do that video. But if you had a interview in future, try to prepare full Python, not half. Try to prepare full Python subject. And I just yeah, sorry, I just forgot to mention that you written a examination for Python, but in your resume you included SQL as well. So be prepared for that. There will be questions from SQL as well. Okay, your resume plays a crucial role. If you mention Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, then you will get questions from these 5 technologies. So try to prepare for the technologies which you mentioned in your resume. If you didn't do that, definitely I am saying guys, you will face a regret situation. They will not ask only on Python. If you mention just Python and have some HTML, CSS, you can easily cover. But if you mention SQL, Java like that, they may ask questions from that as well. So be prepared for that. As I promised earlier, definitely I will make a video on final round interview as well. So all the best for your interview. Be prepared well and crack this opportunity. And thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our Job Seeker sub channel. Jai Hind, bye bye now.